What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update of Bitcoin. Right now, we're sitting at $13,513. We're down 1.88%. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin here on the one-day time frame, so each candle is going to represent one day. This was the top we were looking at here, guys, with this long wick. We saw some rejection here at about $13,886, and then we also had a doji candle yesterday. And dojis at top, they can be marked at indecision. Okay, so you always want to be careful and you want to protect your positions when you see one of these dojis at the top there. And what you can also see is the relative strength is starting to cool down, starting to get those lower highs there for the relative strength. We're sitting at 67.79, we'll call it 68. And I think this is a really healthy thing for Bitcoin. I've been talking about this for quite a while here, that we needed a deep retracement. And I still don't even think we're deep enough in terms of the retracement, because what we need to do is get up over top of that 13,886, which we've been rejected at 3 times now, almost 4 times, and then it'd be up around that $14,000. And if we go back out here and we really take a look, what we want to continue here is to set some type of higher low in the range of 12,305 to 12,500, right in this range. It's been the hot spot for me. And the reason I find this area so important is because this was previous resistance that we broke through. We would want to hold that for support. We want that resistance to support flip. That's what we're going for here. But you can see our previous high in 2019 was right around this $14,000, and that's where we got into trouble. You can see we're right up there again. So in my opinion, to get up through some of these higher levels of overhead resistance, we're going to need a decent retracement. You know, potentially back onto the 20 EMA here. That would be very healthy. Typically in uptrends, we stay up above that most of the time. We'll come back and wick and test that. That's at 12,836. So that's an area I'm looking at. And if that did not hold, then it'd be down around this 50 moving average as well at $11,977. So roughly up above that $12,000 is what we're looking for here. But overall, we're still up above our 20, our 50, our 100, and our 200 moving average. And what we're going to see here is with this profit right now that's being taken and we're getting a cool down in Bitcoin, we're going to see if that liquidity will move over into the altcoin market, and maybe altcoins can start moving a little bit, because I do believe Bitcoin still needs to cool down, guys. I want to get that RSI back into the 50s, right in that range, 60 maybe even, before we get that next pump to the upside. If we take a look at the technicals here, for Bitcoin, we have a 4 sell, 9 neutral, 15 buy oscillators, 1 sell, 8 neutral, and a 2 buy. Moving average is looking good because we're up above all of them. You can see even on the week looking pretty good here. My main thing would just be cooling down a little bit. And we're going to have to see where this candle closes today, if we're going to have some type of, you know, like bearish engulfing candle, something pretty powerful there. But we have had a little bit of buying pressure at 13,167. So this is an area I would just expect maybe a little bit more cooling down period. We're going to look to set our higher low, then go up there and get that higher high, and let's see if we get a little bit of money moving into the altcoin. So if you guys get some from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.